Tonight's episode is going to be a quick one. I just want to teach you guys, for those of you who don't know about eggs, the proper way how to poach an egg. And there's 5 ways to cook an egg. Over easy, sunny side up, scrambled, omelet, and then poach. You can also hard boil, so technically 6. Okay? So I'll show you guys, don't worry. Okay guys, so I got the water boiling. You see the water boiling? Alright, so basically, you just take 1 egg, okay? Crack it, throw it in, okay? As soon as it goes in, you start stirring it slowly. You turn the boiler down to small. You turn the boiler down to small. You start slowly. Okay, I'll show you. See the egg? Just gotta stir it slowly. And once it's boiling, you turn it down to low. So you put it on medium. And eventually it'll all form together. You just gotta make sure the white connects with the yellow, the yolk. Kind of just push it together. What I'm gonna do, grab it with a ladle. And I'm gonna hold the ladle in, collecting all the white, the yellow and the white. Just hold it with the ladle in the boiling pot. You need to have a ladle when you do it. Got to give it at least 4 minutes to cook. Okay, so what it's doing, the water is cooking the egg. And as you see, usually the white will form together. You have to push it all to the same side. Should be done. Drain all the water. So basically, what you should have, what the egg should look like, is it should be cooked from the inside out, and it should be white on the round outside, just like that. Alright guys, thanks for cooking with Kyle's Kitchen, and au revoir.